Wow, look at you both. Doing your chores like I asked you to. I am so proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. My new friends that I've met have inspired me and Cleo to become non-troublemakers.
I am so proud of you, Chris. You've made great improvements on your behavior. You didn't even yell at me when I asked you to clean the dishes. You just went right to it.
I always knew there was some good in you, Chris, my sweet big brother.
Thank you, Penelope, my sweet little sister.
Hey, Chris and Cleo, Isa, Evelyn, and I heard you both became non-troublemakers and improved your behavior. That's right, Lily, Isa, Evelyn, Brittany, and Fatima. We've changed our ways, thanks to our new friends here. Katie, Lily, Lexi, and Ryan. Wow, Chris and Cleo, me, Brittany, and Fatima are so proud of you.
Hi, Penelope, Molly, Everly, Lily, Isa, Evelyn, Brittany, Fatima, Chris, and Cleo. And you with the nice purple hair, what's your name?
My name is Maddie Brimley.
Nice to meet you, Maddie. I'm Lula. And this is my little sister, Rosie.
Hello. Hi, Rosie. Nice to meet you.
Anyways, Chris and Cleo, I heard you recently improved your behavior and became a non-troublemaker. That's right, Lula and Rosie. Thanks to our new friends here, we've been inspired to become good people and give up our troublemaking antics. I'm so glad you made some friends who helped you improve your behavior.
Yeah. I'm so happy that you both improved your behavior and became more friendly around us.
Oh yeah, and Lula, I'm very sorry for calling you the M slur on Christmas. It was very mean of me to call you that.
Oh, it's okay, Chris. I forgive you.
Thank you, Lula.
You're welcome.
So your name is Lula. I'm Katie, Katie Bell. I'm Lily, Lily Wilson. I'm Lexi, Lily's sister.
And I'm Ryan, Ryan Paxton.
Nice to meet you four. I'm Rosie, and as you saw, this is my older sister Lula. Hey Lula and Rosie, do you want to fly to the mall with us? Yeah, you've come up with a great idea, Molly. Let's fly to the mall.
Not so fast, you Pookie Bears.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
What? You have to stay silent when I come.
You stay away from my sisters and their friends.
Wait, Chris, why are you siding with them?
You know, Jack, you've abused my sisters and their friends way too much.
I agree with Chris. You've abused Penelope, Molly, and their friends so much that you've even made it look like their parents hate them. Chris is right, Jack. Also, I heard about what you recently did to Everly.
Well, yeah, that Pookie Bear deserved it for being bad all the f***ing time.
Hey, Everly did not deserve that.
Yeah. First off, Everly's birthday is April 24th, 2018, not July 9th, 2018. And second, Mr. Paisley would never do that to my BFF, because she's his daughter. And with that video, you've made it look like Lori and Jordan hate Everly. Yeah. Not only that, but you keep calling my mom fat. What is wrong with you? My mom is not fat. She is pregnant with my soon-to-be-born baby brother.
No, Eli is your older brother, and your mom is such a fat ass.
That's enough, Jack. Lori is not fat. She is pregnant with Everly's soon-to-be-born brother. You should not be fat-shaming someone, even if they are fat, and especially when they are actually pregnant.
You tell him, Chris. Roast him.
All of your fuckery that you've put my sisters and their friends through by making it look like their parents hate them is the reason why you were placed on a restraining order with us. Why don't you find something better to do, like get a job? Oh, because you're too much of a jackass to do that.
Wait, Chris, I thought we were friends.
Yeah, right. I was never friends with you in the first place because you were being a piece of shit to my sisters.
Yeah, even Chris and Cleo don't like you because of what you've done to us. Not to mention you think I'm a male purple human fly, which even though I am purple, I am not a boy, I'm a girl, and I'm a sea sprite, not a human fly.
And I hate you for everything you've done to my sisters and their friends. I am done with you. Get the hell out of our damn sight. And if I ever see you going near my sisters again, I'm beating the shit out of you.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Oh my gosh, that was so funny that Jack ran off crying like a motor car. I'm so happy that Jack's gone now.
Wow, you showed him who's boss, Chris.
Thank you, Lula. I'm so glad I'm a non-troublemaker now.
Come on! Let's fly to the mall!
Yeah, let's fly to the mall.
Oh, Cleo and I will pass on the flying part of that.
Why don't you guys wanna fly to the mall?
Well, for one, I have a fear of heights, and for another, Lily here can drive us there in her bus since she has her license.
Who, me? I'm only 7 years old, and I can't legally drive.
No, not you. The other Lily, Lily Wilson.
Oh, we share a name. I thought you were talking about me.
Okay, you can drive, and we'll meet you at the main entrance for the mall. But you're missing out.
Yeah! I agree with Lula. Y'all are missing out on the fun of flying. But we'll let you go there by bus, and we'll meet you at entrance 1 for the mall.